This is Oveo microdermabrasion device. This is an electronic beauty device meant to suck out the blackheads you have on your face. And it's also for microdermabrasion. So as I take it out, I can see that it's long but fits right in the palm of my hand. It's lightweight. It already has this attachment on for the Comedo suction. That's to suck out the blackheads. And it also comes with other attachments. So let's look at those. So as you see, this one has a wide opening. This one has a smaller opening. This one has an oval opening. This one's the microdermabrasion head, and it's kind of rough so that it can exfoliate. These are the little filters for the microdermabrasion, and it also comes with a blackhead remover cream. Okay, so once you plug it in and charge it, you're gonna turn it on here, and you can see a nice little display area right up here, so that tells you it's on and the suction is working. And then this one makes the intensity more intense. As you can see, the lights go up as I do that, and then the other button is to make the intensity less intense. So I can tell this is going to be super easy to use on my own, and as long as I have a mirror, and I can use this to take those gross blackheads out. And stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to show you how exactly to do that.